Hello, family management class. Well, yesterday we started using the Coast to Coast online application program. Many of you gave me some great feedback over, how interesting you thought it was. Some of you said it was like real life. Some of you were a little frustrated over, some of the bumps in the road, so to speak, that you've come across. But that is life. That is real life. Life is unpredictable. You never know, what may come up that you didn't plan for. And so that's a good experience to, go through and try and process without having detrimental real life, consequences. So that's why this program is so important. That's why I want us to get some time on it. Okay. Some people mentioned that they thought it was repetitive because, you're buying groceries, you're filling up your gas tank, you're paying your bills, and they thought it was like repetitive month after month. That's real life. You have to pay your bills every month. You have to fill your gas tank to go to work, every week or a couple times a week, depending on what you do. You have to replenish the groceries, in the groceries, in your pantry. So, that is real life. So I thought it was funny how some people were like, oh, it's so repetitive. But that is, what it's like, to manage everyday activities. So I'm glad, to hear that. So what you're going to do today is you're going to get back on that program. You're going to get some more experience. I also know that some people have been, they went bankrupt, or you get caught in a situation where you can't take a loan out, you don't have the money to pay for, whatever happened to you, and you're kind of stuck. If that's the case, then, you've kind of went bankrupt and the game's over. So then start a new one, okay? But now you're a little wiser. That is the whole purpose of this assignment, is for you to get some practice over what it would be like to make decisions in real life without suffering the bad credit, without suffering, the problems of, doing this in real life for the first time. So take advantage of playing some of the games, take advantage of, getting to get the experience of, what it's like to be responsible for all of those decisions and, things that you have to do. Okay. If you are having issues, I need to know ASAP, because points will be assigned to these experiences that we are doing, and that will be coming up shortly. So if you're having an issue, I was emailing some people yesterday and I didn't hear back. If you're having an issue still, you need to get in touch with me. We will have to Zoom and figure it out, because, eventually there will be points attached to these assignments. Okay, so please make sure that you reach out to me. Enjoy the upcoming snow. I will talk to you later in the week. Have a great day.